Indian American Congressman Raja Krishnamurthy has introduced a resolution in the US Congress recognizing the religious and historical significance of Diwali, the Festival of Lights. After introducing the resolution in the US House of Representatives, Krishnamurthy said, "For Sikhs, Jains, and my Hindus here in the United States and across the world, Diwali is a time for gratitude as well as a celebration of the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil." He said, recognizing the historical and religious significance of Diwali. The resolution expresses its deepest respect for Indian Americans and the Indian diaspora throughout the world on this significant occasion. Krishnamurthy further said, "I'm proud to introduce this bipartisan resolution to recognize the enormous religious, cultural, and historical significance of Diwali." He concluded saying, "In celebrating another Diwali during the pandemic, I hope that we begin to see light overcome the darkness in the world. I want to wish a safe and happy Diwali to all the families gathering with their loved ones to light lamps in their homes and to pray for good health and peace for all people."